Hello everyone, I'm Sherbatumilla, a student of English Teaching Department in States Islamic University of Madura. And now, welcome to my mini documentary, How Language Works, a linguistic analysis of everyday communication. For this linguistic final assignment, I will dissect the most authentic language data we use WhatsApp chat. I will prove that six core linguistic concepts are at work behind every message, every we took, every we chat, every we communication with the others, from slang or religional language. Language is something we use every day, especially through online communication such as WhatsApp chats. Even though this message may look simple, our daily conversations actually contains many important linguistic features. In this video, I will analyze real WhatsApp conversations using different branches of linguistics to show how language works in everyday life. Our first concept to dissect is morphology, the study of the internal structure of word. In this conversation, the speaker used the word epangetek, which come for the Madura's language. The best word is ngetek, but it is concept. The best word is pangetek, which means shocked or surprised. The affixes attached to the front and the prefix a. The prefix a is a bound morpheme that cannot stand alone. Its morphological function in Madurese is equivalent to the prefix d in Standard Indonesian, that is, to form a passive verb. Therefore, through this affixation process, the word epangetek means to be surprised or to be shocked. This morphological analysis show that the speaker uses a complex word formation structure from the Madurese's language to express their passive experience in an everyday communication context. Next, syntax. The study of sentence rules. In casual chat, we often follow formal structure. The sentences dari siapa itu is an example of ellipsis or omission or elements. Formally, this sentence is incomplete because the subject and the verb are omitted. However, synthetically, in this context, the sentence is acceptable because the listener already knows the object is the photo. Formal rules are ignored for speed. Next to sociolinguistic. Sociolinguistic examines language choice based on social context. The use of abbreviations like kamu, telepon, and nanti are characteristic of the informal register. This is the style used by intimate groups or peers. Thus, abbreviations and slang create a group identity and encourage typing efficiency, showing how social factors influence linguistic choice. Next to semantic and pragmatics. Let's look at meaning. Semantic and pragmatic. Notice the play. Bukan dipegang tapi mau dipegang. Not held, but about to be held. Semantically, this is a fact correction about the phone's status. However, pragmatically, this corrective action functions as a speech aid of assert status and provide more accurate detail, even if the detail is minor, to the main conversation, demonstrating the speaker's intent. The psycholinguistic observes the brain's process while speaking, and this message, the word tip, is a certain form of tiba-tiba or suddenly, but it is structured. This is a type of speech production error. This is error suggestion that in the rapid process of linguistic production, or like typing in a chat, the brain prioritizes message completion speed over lexical accuracy. This transit word proves that processing speed is sometimes conform compromised for quick response. And finally, phonology and its sound in text emoji like this is or vowel repetition like I replace prosody. The vowel repetition prologues the sound, duration, and emphasizes emotion. This emoji visually represent the high intonation and tone of voice that the speaker would use to convey disappointment or pity if speaking orally.